I know it's been a while since my last YouTube video. There's been a lot going on behind the scenes I've been busy with, a couple different projects. And today I want to let you know what I've got planned for YouTube for the rest of the year, and also some sales I've got running right now. The first thing I've been working on is a beginner's course for astrophotography that will be featured here on YouTube. This is mainly intended for anybody who's just getting into the hobby, because I know personally I've been getting into some new hobbies, and I was really overwhelmed, and that reminded me of how overwhelming astrophotography can be. And my goal with this course is to just ease you into the hobby, let you know what you actually need to buy, what's a waste of money, and then from there, how to set everything up properly and do a little bit of post-processing. So maybe for some of you, it's going to be a waste of time. And in that case, I'd recommend you leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like me to cover, because frankly, I'm starting to run out of ideas. Maybe you want to see a certain post-processing video or how to use the ASI Air to do something or anything else. Just leave a comment and I can start working on those videos in December and into January. I have been pretty busy over on Patreon though. I know a lot of you are signed up over there, but if you go to patreon.com/PeterZelinka, I've got two different levels. If you get the Andromeda level, that's $10 a month. If you do sign up, I recommend you do it after the first of any month. That way you don't get billed twice, because I always bill you at the start of the month. So if you do want to sign up for that, wait until December. On here though, I've got dozens and dozens of videos. It looks like 42 at this point, each one between 30 minutes and an hour long. There's post-processing, there's on location, and a lot more. So that's really where I've been spending a lot of my time this year working on. And if you're looking for new content, that's probably the best $10 you can spend. But like I said, I will be doing a lot more videos here on YouTube as well. I do try and keep them separate though, just so everybody gets some nice value. And then finally today, I am running a Black Friday sale for the next few days over on my website. For those of you who have been interested in picking up one of my courses, now is going to be the best time. As you know, I don't really do sales very often, but I wanted to make sure I can save you guys a lot of money this year. $100 off both my Ultimate Astrophotography bundle. This one includes all my different courses. Whether you want to do deep space, star trails, Milky Way, whatever it is, it's all included in there. You just choose whatever star tracker you have. And I'm also having $100 off my Star Tracker bundle. This one is mainly intended if you just bought a Star Tracker, maybe you got one for the holidays. I'll teach you how to do Milky Way photography with it and deep space astrophotography. Finally, for those who have already maybe purchased one of the courses, you can still save $50 on whatever course you don't already have, and you can choose that from the list here. I just want to let you guys know that. Hopefully save you guys some money there. And that's all I've got for you today. So thanks for hanging in there. I know it's been a quiet couple months. And like I said, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like me to cover. And then I can get working on that in December and in January. So thanks again for all your support. And I'll see you guys in the next video.